Alright, today as we're analyzing our graphs, what we really need to be able to do is to be able to know the difference between distance time graphs and speed and time graphs. Now, you remember when we looked at distance time graphs before, you had distance on the y-axis and time on the x-axis. In speed time graphs, you have speed on the y-axis and time on the x-axis. Now, it's important that you understand how that really affects what you're looking at for data on each of the graphs that we're looking at. So I have some here to compare for you. The first one is a distance time graph, which we've already been doing this week. When you had a straight line, what that indicated was that the object was stopped. But in a speed time graph, when you have a straight line like that, what that means is that the object is moving at a constant speed the entire time. See how that's different? This one is stopped, this one is moving. They're both constant, but this one is constantly stopped, this one's constantly moving. When you have a 45-degree line like this on a distance time graph, it means that it's moving forward at a constant speed. You knew that. But here's what it means on a speed time graph, that the object is accelerating at a very constant rate. See how that's different? This one is how it's just constantly getting a little bit faster as it goes along. This one is just moving forward at the very same speed. Got that? Now, when we look at this scenario and we have a line that's sloping in this direction, on the distance time graph, it says that the object is actually coming back to where it started. And here it's telling you that the object is slowing down. It's decelerating at a constant rate. Got that? That's a little different. So my question for you now is, when you're analyzing graphs, what is the most important thing? Have them circled. It's whatever you have here on the y-axis and whatever you have here on the x-axis. If you don't look at those words, you will totally misinterpret what the graphs are trying to tell you. That's going to be a key to getting things wrong. Now, I have one problem I want you to work out for me. This is a speed time graph. I told you what this meant. What does this dash line what does it mean to you? What does it infer? What can you infer from that? Think about it. You're going to need to answer it.